Welcome to Goalie's Pip Academy.
Have you ever wondered how something as heavy as an airplane stays up in the sky? Today we're going to discover the secret of airplane wings. We'll see how wings push air down like a ramp, why curved wings make special low-pressure zones, and how tilting the wing helps planes fly. Think about it. A big jumbo jet can weigh as much as 80 elephants. So how does it float through the air without falling? Stick around, because by the end, you'll know exactly how wings create lift to keep planes soaring through the air. So, what is lift? Lift is the force that pushes an airplane up into the sky and keeps it flying. Airplane wings are specially designed to create this lifting force by interacting with the air around them. You can think of it like when you stick your hand out of a car window and tilt it upward. You feel your hand getting pushed up by the wind. Airplane wings do something similar, but in a much more powerful way. First, let's talk about how wings work like ramps. Imagine sliding down a playground slide. When you push down on the slide pushes you forward, right? Wings do something similar with air. As the airplane moves forward, the wing pushes air downward, just like a ramp deflecting things down a slope. Here's the cool part. When the wing pushes air down, the air pushes back. This is called action and reaction, and it's one of the basic laws of physics. The wing pushes down on the air, and the air pushes up on the wing. That upward push is lift. Next, there's something special about the shape of airplane wings. If you look at a wing from the side, you'll notice it's not flat. It's curved on top and flatter on the bottom. When air flows over the wing, it has to travel a longer distance over the curved top than under the flatter bottom. To cover that extra distance in the same amount of time, the air on top has to speed up. And here's where it gets really interesting. When air moves faster, it creates lower pressure. So the fast-moving air on top of the wing creates a zone of low pressure, while the slower air below creates higher pressure. The higher pressure underneath pushes up more than the lower pressure on top pushes down. And that difference creates even more lift. Time for our first quiz. Multiple choice question. When an airplane wing pushes air down like a ramp, what happens to the wing? A. The wing gets heavier. B. The wing gets pushed up. C. The wing stops moving. D. The wing turns sideways. If you said B, then well done, that's right. When the wing pushes air downward, the air pushes back upward on the wing. It's action and reaction working together to create lift. Now let's dive even deeper. The angle of the wing matters a lot too. Pilots can actually change the tilt of the wing during flight. This tilt is called the angle of attack. When a wing tilts upward just a little bit, it deflects more air downward, kind of like angling a skateboard ramp. The more air you push down, the more the air pushes you up. Pilots adjust this angle depending on whether the plane is taking off, cruising, or landing. Did you know that birds use the same principles to fly? When a bird flaps its wings, it pushes air down and back, and that pushes the bird up and forward. Engineers studied birds for hundreds of years before they figured out how to build airplane wings. The Wright brothers, who built the first successful airplane in 1903, tested over 200 different wing shapes in a homemade wind tunnel before finding one that worked. They learned that both the curved shape and the angle were super important. And here's an amazing fact. Modern airplanes can actually fly upside down for short periods. Even when a plane is upside down, the pilot can tilt the wing at just the right angle to push air downward and create lift. It takes a lot of skill, but it proves that the angle of attack is just as important as the wing's curved shape. So why does understanding lift matter? Airplanes connect our world. They help families visit relatives who live far away, bring food and medicine to places that need it, and help scientists study weather from high above. Engineers are always working to make wings better, designing them to be quieter, use less fuel, and produce fewer emissions. Some companies are even working on electric airplanes. Maybe one day you'll design the wings for a super efficient airplane that helps people travel while keeping Earth healthy. Time for our second question. True or false? The air moving over the curved top of the wing moves faster than the air below. True or false? If you said true, then well done, that's right. The curved top of the wing makes air travel a longer path, so it speeds up, creating lower pressure on top, which helps create lift along with the wing pushing air downward.
Hey, you're watching Goalie's Pip Academy, where we teach about science, geography, history, everything about the whole world. If you want to watch these classes with no ads, no distractions, go to getgoalie.com.
Wings create lift by pushing air down like a ramp. The air pushes back up through action and reaction. The curved shape of wings makes air move faster on top, creating lower pressure that helps pull the wing upward. And pilots use the angle of attack to tilt the wing and deflect even more air downward. All these things work together to keep planes soaring safely through the sky. Next time you see an airplane flying overhead, you'll know the secret. Those wings aren't just sitting there. They're pushing air down, creating pressure differences, and tilting at just the right angle to keep tons of metal floating through the air. Pretty amazing, right? Keep asking questions, stay curious, and keep exploring the awesome science all around you. See you next time at Pip Academy.
My mind is blown. Where can I learn more about these videos? Oh yeah, getgoalie.com. There's no ads, there's no junk, just cool stuff for kids and a dedicated tablet. Check it out, getgoalie.com.